Morning. Welcome back to Parrot. I'm your host Gabriel. Today we're going to somewhere in the north. It's a big event with I think hundreds of people. 我也不知道多少鸟，可能大概几百只鸟吧。Okay, let's pack up. Nova, let's go. 依赖。路飞。嘟嘟。Let's go. Luffy, Eli, Nova. This place is pretty far in the north. It's gonna cost us 1 hour and 35 minutes, 93 kilometers. We'll arrive around 5. Okay, good. Let's go. It's 5:30 in the morning. We're here already. Check out the cars and the people here. It is that we have 160 people in registration to join the contest, the Freefly contest, some obedience or long recall something. And most probably we have more than 200 people and maybe 500, 600 birds today. I'm afraid someone's gonna lose. But we're just waiting for the start. Morning, bro. Morning.
Morning.
Long time. Let's fly. Oh! Noah! What we're having here, the first contact is obedience for small birds, which means the bird owner will let go their birds and then wait for certain length of time, for example 3 minutes, and then everyone start recall their birds. The first one landed on the owner, win the game. This kind of event, someone's gonna lose their bird for sure, because so many birds, so many people, and too big place, especially for the small birds who doesn't have any GPS on it. It's pretty risky actually. First winner already have. Now they're doing long recall. The owner standing here and the birds, it's over there behind the house. You can see someone waving there in orange shirt. They're gonna release the bird there, and the owner here call the bird back. The first one got back, win the game. Let's see. 有没有回来的啊？这是长距离召回。现在这个鸟在那头，就在那头呢。然后鸟主人在这儿招，在这儿叫，看谁第一个把这些鸟叫回来，谁就赢这个游戏。我们这叫 long distance recall。一般这种比赛最容易丢鸟，飞着飞着都不知道去哪儿了，尤其是小鸟。 小鸟们都回来了啊，真的不容易。不过还有几只在外面，我看还有人在叫。现在是大型鸟的长距离召回，看到吗？鸟从那儿起飞了，主人们都在这儿呢，在这儿招呼。然后鸟在那儿起飞了啊，没有直接往这边飞的，现在都是在那边盘旋的。然后主人们都在这儿站着，有回来的了啊。Who's the first one? First one. 第一个谁 ？Urban first one. Urban 赢了。Is that your bird? 这只鸟去捣乱了，本来蓝黄想下来，有一只蓝黄直接冲出去跟他一块飞，不让它下来。They're trying to play. Luffy, go with me. Oh. If it's not, I'm not going. It's okay. I'll try this one. Okay. It's a medium-sized bird obedience contest. Luffy will join. I don't know how many minutes. Let them fly for how many minutes and then record them. How many minutes?
5 minutes, sir.
Okay.
And then once the 5 minutes beyond 5 and 1 second, you need to slow down.
Okay. Don't bite me, Luffy. Luffy.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, release!
5 minutes obedience. Let the bird fly free for 5 minutes and then when the time comes, all the owner recall. Yeah, let's see what Luffy will do. Luffy is there in the sky. I'm not worried at all because I have the GPS. I can see his real-time place, real-time position. Even in the tree, I can retrieve. I think Luffy is over there. Yeah, I can see them. Yeah, this way. Another 3 minutes to go. Later. I think Luffy is in the tree. I don't see him moving.
A few moments later.
What happened is that Luffy landed there. I think he flew too much at the beginning. This is obedience contest for big birds. I don't exactly know the rules. I think most probably the owner let the bird fly and let them fly for certain minutes, for example 3 minutes, and then recall. First landed, first wins. We'll see. The birds are out now, so we're waiting for the judge to say you can recall your bird now. Then the owner will recall them. Yeah, I think it's 3 minutes something. How many birds? Not sure. Not exactly. I'm totally speechless. I think they already started the recall. 5 minutes, and one macaw is on the wire. Oh, first one. Is that first one? No. Who's gonna be the first one? Colin. Oh, Rigor win the game. And second is Eric. Rigor first, second Eric. Good.